Hello, in front of me I've got Front and Lead 30. In this video I'll show you how to manage Lithograph Book. In the beginning, go to Menu and go to Lithograph Book. Right here we've got Lithograph Book List and List Completion Rewards. In order to claim reward, you have to register items which appear next to the reward. For example, for Impenetrable Mystery, we have to register solid clothing, durable cloth pants, and solid cloth shoes. Keep in mind that when you register clothing, it will be erased from your inventory and you can't use it anymore. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.